So this is how I'm gonna route this thing on the deli fridge. I put one of those little magnets on top that it comes with, the Dometic. And then the deli fridge comes with this little fucking, what you call it? Net. So I'll put the bag up here. Put that shit on the side. And then, voila, we got some fucking magic. And I gotta refill it. Plug it up. Easy money. Yeah. Better than having that shit squished down so I could just use it when I need it, you know what I'm saying? Easy day.